Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the battle of who has the final say has officially begun. So on the trailer of tonight's episode, we see Umaxele and indoda yakhe, her man Umusa, they are out and about in a restaurant, and Umaxele is telling her man ukuthi hey phela indlela abantu bebekhuluma ngayo that night. Speaking about that night when they were doing umcimbi, they are making it seem ukuthi le ndaba number 5 eyami akusiyona yakho. And in her diary session, Umaxele says, listen, eyami ke ngizoyithatha ngiyifake ephaketheni. I just felt like that was Umaxele saying, listen, since you guys are busy saying hey Umaxele is supporting number 5 in ngizonibonisa ke vele ngiyayisupport ngiyayithatha ngiyibeke ephaketheni, and I'm going to make sure, listen, ukuthi number 5 uzongena by fire by force whether you guys like it or not. Guys, I just feel like Umaxele, in a sort of way, she is just kind of, because mdalanyana, she's just trying to be respectful. But I feel like if she was young, or if she was a 2K, by now she would have said, hey bo, Nina, you guys came in here, and I accepted you guys. So why are you guys having a problem with accepting number 5? I just feel like she doesn't say that, but there's things she does or other things she says that gives off those vibes. Because that statement of I'm going to take this matter and make it my own, I kind of feel like it's indirectly saying, Uti, listen, this is my man. I'm the one who opened the door for all of you guys to come in. And now all of a sudden you guys are going to come and tell me, hey, boy, me like who officiated this whole temple to come to be. So I'm gonna be the one. So as long as I'm fine with it, you guys have no part to not be fine with it. I kind of feel like it's giving those vibes. So that's why I'm saying, Muti, I feel like now it's going to be a competition of who has the final say, or whose word has the most weight. Because I feel like Umaxele is going to continue to push in Dabada number 5, which what makes Lamakhosikazi wako so special, that because abamfunu number 5, all of a sudden number 5 again, yet I accepted them. And then on the other side, there's the 3 wives who are against it, and they or what they saying rather, or at least what Uthobile is saying, is that she's not necessarily against number 5. She's against the way Umusa is doing things, you guys. So I don't know, is Umusa going to listen to them? Is he going to listen to Umaxele? I just feel like, in previous seasons, Umusa has made it clear, Wuti, as long as he's got his support, he's good to go. So it looks like whether Abo Tobila, Abo Mangwabo, Abo Mayeni, whether they're going to make a lot of noise about what, and all of that, as long as Umaxele is on Umusa's side, it looks like he's going to go ahead and do whatever he wants to do. Guys, Abo is tembulento. Anyway, let's park it right there and let's see how's this gonna go down. Because Umaxele, it looks like, listen, she just said challenge accepted. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.